Okay, I have a video of toys I got at the comic book shop. This is Mumra, and it's Thundercats. And this is the stuff on the back. Anyway, and I'll show you this one. Cheetah, that's what her name is. That's what she looks like, a Thundercat. And that. I'm thinking of getting Lino. Either way, I'm going to open them. Alright, this is Mumra. You can see the arms move up and down, and the head turns, the legs bend. And this is Mumra with his weapons in his hand. Mumra, trying to say it correct. Either way, you can see the villain. And that's what I collected. See the details on this? Either way, that's what it looks like. Open. Her arms move up and down. Legs move up and down. Head turns. This is the cheetah. Thundercat. There we go. And her weapon is in her hand. You can see that. Either way. That's what she looks like, and the details and the colors on there. You can see everything. Alright, I have to get going. Before I get going, thumbs up the video. Subscribe for more toy collecting. And let's see. If you want to leave a comment and it's on, great. If it's not on, don't worry. Okay, I gotta get going. Alright, bye.